We are here using the crane. See how it records. So yeah, you can twist it and it'll record down. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then the joystick to the left. We'll turn it to the left, to the right. Double click. It centers it. I think it centers it. I like this one, the Vortex. And then you just spin it. Woo! Pretty cool. Let's go around the car, see what happens. Vortex mode, so I'm just spinning it one way. See how it records. I think I think I have the motor going too slow. That's what I'm gonna see right now. Yeah, it's too slow, the motor. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off.